We like to say you can do anything with a Stackbit site, but what exactly does that mean? Well, we built an example to show you. Let's take a look. The first thing you'll notice about this site is that it looks entirely different than any of our themes. This site has replaced the Stackbit component library with custom components, built with the help of Daisy UI, a multi-themed component library based on Tailwind CSS. This site disabled Next.js's static export to the benefit of enabling server-side features. It's ready to be deployed to Netlify, Vercel, or any other service built to run Next.js sites. With server-side features enabled, this site can then bring a few dynamic features, including authentication, a capability not often found in Jamstack sites. In this project, authentication is achieved by connecting to Google and GitHub as OAuth providers, which is nicely abstracted using React hooks and Next API routes, alongside an open source library called NextAuth. You can learn more about how authentication works in this application by visiting the GitHub repo. With authentication up and running, we can sign into our application to unlock a number of features, including an onboarding wizard. This is a multi-step process with a few control types and validations. When this process is completed, the application connects to an external database to store user profile information, which can then be used to further personalize the experience for each individual user. The beauty of using Stackbit to edit this flow is that we're not limited to blindly editing structured data, without context as to how that content will appear to users on the site. In this case, we've built a separate page for visually editing the onboarding flow, available only when running Stackbit's preview or while working locally. This shows all steps and allows editors to fully edit a flow, adding and adjusting controls as necessary. This also shows an example of extending Stackbit's built-in validations by providing a series of extra checks for editors on the screen. This ensures the flow will work properly for all users. Once we're done editing, we can publish the website, which merges our preview branch into our main branch, triggering a new atomic deployment. And this is only the beginning, a quick look at the power and flexibility you can bring to your Stackbit site. Start building today by visiting jamstack.new.